Today I'm going to be showing you using Cisco Packet Tracer how to back up a Cisco router configuration to a remote server. So the first thing we need to do is we're just going to go ahead and save the configuration from the PC using the emulation software here. We're going to go ahead and hop in. Just give me 1 second here. Alright, sorry about that. It wasn't, I had to find the password real quick. So, we're into the router. So the first thing we need to do is do copy running config startup config. Oh, I need to get into privileged exec mode first. Sorry about that. Now I can do copy running config startup config, and yes, it's asking if we want to save it, so we're going to go ahead and do that. Hit OK. And now we're going to back up that same configuration we just saved to the TFTP server, which is just a remote server. So we're going to do copy startup config TFTP, and then it's going to ask for the address. The address is 192.168.1.0. Keep it with the default file name. Go ahead and hit OK. It's writing, and it's going to give us a pop-up when it's done. Alright, sorry about that. I was putting in the wrong IP address. I feel stupid for that, but I fixed it. So, as you can see here, it successfully wrote the startup config to the TFTP server, and we can go ahead and verify that by opening up the server right here, accessing the config, and down to TFTP, and we can see right there, customer router configuration. It was saved to the server successfully. So, bring this back up. And now what we need to do is we're going to test the backup configuration. The way we're going to do that is erase startup config. And it's going to ask if we want to confirm that. We're going to hit OK. And it erased everything. So now we're going to go ahead and see if we can reload. Proceed with reload. We're going to go ahead and OK. Alright. We're going to go ahead and now we're going to configure the fast Ethernet so it can communicate with the TFTP server. Alright, just give me 1 second. I accidentally hit that. Alright, sorry about that again. I accidentally, like I said, spelled it wrong, so it started doing the lookup. So we're going to go ahead and get this fast Ethernet interface configured. So, okay, so now we're in the correct fast Ethernet. So we're going to do IP address 192.168.1.1, 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Interface S/0/0, and with that, no shutdown as well. Alright, so now we just got to wait for the light to turn. looks like it's good to go there. So now what we need to do is we're going to ping the server after we get out of here. And we're going to go ping 192.168.1.10. Alright, and it gives us a success rate of 80%. So we're going to go ahead and copy the startup configuration file stored on the server to the running configuration for this router. So what we need to do is do copy TFTP running config. Use 192.168.1.10, and it's customer router CONFG, and it wants us to load it, so we're going to hit OK. And after that goes through, we're good to go on that. So now the next thing we need to do is copy running config startup config. Alright, and that's saved. And now we're going to test the restored configuration by pinging the ISP server. We should have success. So we got 20. We're going to go ping 202.165.201.10, and we've got a success rate of 80%, so we're good to go there. Alrighty, I do thank you for watching my video on backing up a configuration to a remote server using the Cisco router interface, and I hope you have a great day.